Good morning, friends. Welcome in, welcome back. Welcome to Revamp and Radiate with me, Sarah B., your beauty bestie. Today, I'm recording on my phone in my office, so it is about 4 in the morning, and I need to get ready. Oh, I want to take this and throw this in my bag. I want to get ready for Puerto Rico, so I just want to do a quick get ready with me, say hello. I'm using the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin in the shade Juice Boost, and I just want to do a quick get ready with me because I'm leaving. And yeah, good morning. I don't know if this will come out or what, but the kids are still sleeping. We're going to wake them up in a couple minutes. I laid out all my makeup last night. It was really funny. I'll actually post a picture of it. Maybe I can, I don't know. I'm going to be recording this on my phone and editing it on my phone, so I don't know how that's going to work. This is the Viseart eye primer. I'm using the RMS Revolve foundation. I like to use this just show dough 5 brush when I do a more full coverage foundation. We have a flight. I think our flight's at 6:30, so we gotta get going. The kids gotta get up. It's like 4:05. Yeah, so I'm just getting ready. I'm excited to go. I'm finally excited to have summer here and to chill out. I feel like I've just been running. You guys know I show you on here all the running I do. Now we're like done with all the running. It's never really done, especially when you have kids, right? So when we get back, Zeus is going to start tutoring. His teacher's going to tutor him over the summer. And then they have camp. And then in just a couple weeks, me and Madeline are going to New Jersey for nationals. So that's going to happen. I always put too much. Especially when I use this brush, I feel like it spreads it so good that I always use too much. Anyway, that's what's happening in my world. That's nice, right? I love this foundation. It's so skin-like. I don't know why I don't wear it more. Honestly. This is not attractive to me. I think that's why. Like, this is so pretty. Like, this could be like a luxury, nice glass bottle foundation. That's okay. My husband's got to jump in the shower. I made coffee. All the laundry's done. I feel good. Dog is at my mom's. Neighbor's going to take care of the house. I was just watering some plants, and I'm hoping, I put my lemon tree outside, so I'm hoping that that's going to do fine. Oh, my eyebrows. Yeah. That's good enough. It's good enough. Good enough is good enough. I'm using the NARS in Taramina. I gotta watch someone say this word. Taramina. My red neck. Oh, so red. I hate that. I really should go see someone about that. Oh, I don't want to dirty up a bunch of brushes right now. Well, we're dirtying brushes. They're going to stay dirty. All my brushes are clean. I packed way too much. I have way too much stuff. And then after my live, I repacked my makeup bag. I brought all the same stuff, but I just changed it. I brought my small brown Etoile bag. It's the dupe of it. So I think I am going to get that black oval one because I don't have a black one, or maybe just an oval shape. I don't know about black. I don't tend to like be attracted to getting black, like purses and bags and stuff. I don't know why. I think because it just feels so basic. I mean, I get it. A lot of people like it. I'm not trying to like say there's something wrong with it. It's beautiful. But for me, I just wanted something a little different than what, everybody gets. But I guess that's changing too. Everybody gets color, so maybe black will be the new color. Does that make sense? All right, what am I doing? Concealer. I went with the Burberry concealer. So I posted in my makeup group last night a picture of my setup. I'm like, I gotta get up early, so I laid out all my makeup today. And somebody goes, let's play a fun game. of the item here, what would you keep and what would you get rid of? What your top 3? And I said, of everything here, my top 2 are these 2, the Dior bronzer and the powder. And then number 3 would be a tough one for me, but I would pick the Westman Atelier powder. What did I say? What was the other one I said? Oh, and the concealer, the Burberry concealer is what I said. And then everything else that's on this table, I could go. Like if I had to choose. We're not talking like, is this a real declutter? No. But if you were asking me, that's what I would pick. Speaking of powder, I do love this powder. I didn't get a new one. I think at the next Sephora sale, I'll get a new one. But it kind of makes me mad that this is not a refillable. This should totally be refillable. I'm going to be editing this on my phone, so it is mostly going to be uncut. This will be like an edit I try on the plane. Maybe. I always have bigger plans. I'm not bringing my laptop this time. So instead I brought a bunch of stuff I don't need, but I did bring a tripod and a light, which is nice. This is the NARS and Behave. We're going to do the W method. I don't know why that amuses me. That's how I've been doing my stuff lately, and I love it. I gotta get the kids up. Oh, I gotta go. Maddie said she wanted 5 more minutes. Damon's in the shower. The kids don't have to do much. I guess, I don't know. I guess if they're not going to eat or whatever, they still want that light. That's pretty nice, right? It's a very light color on me, but I like it. And I also brought the Sarah Creel in Sunshine. Yeah, let's use this too. Because even for laying out something the next day, I need options. That's better. That bumps it up a little bit without being too overly too much. I always go too low. All right, what am I doing? Let's do eyeshadow. So I use the Viviart primer. All right, I really want to use this shadow, but I also picked this shadow. So maybe we'll mix them. This is the Chanel Buttons. I haven't really used it, so I want to use it. The Boutons. I was going to buy this in Puerto Rico because they still have it at the airport in San Juan, which we are not taking San Juan this time. Anyway, I'm going in with the lightest shade. I was going to buy this. And I think I mentioned it. And then my friend sent it to me. She's like, here you go. You do not have to do that. This was like the one that everyone talked about, how this one was so awesome. I'm like, oh. And then I get like this FOMO. I just have to try it. You guys you'll see this side better. Oh, that's pretty. Oh, this is really nice. Do I want to bring it? I brought like all eyeshadow singles. I got my Vivier palette. This is pretty. Wow. Oh my god. Maybe I'll just bring all Chanel. I'm going to change it out. I'm going to change out my my makeup I packed and bring this. That's so nice. I really like that. Oh, fun. Okay. I can see why this is cool. Okay. Especially if I pair this with a bunch of singles. Because I brought that Vivier palette, the one times Lisa Marie or something. Which is nice. But, alright, let's see what this shade does. And then I brought like all my singles because I wanted to play. I did that live pack with me. If you missed it, you can go back and check it out. It's a little chaotic. And fun though, like whatever. And I haven't really used this either, so let's just kind of use this brightening shade. Kind of just go in there and do that. I'm gonna be on the plane most of the day. Be on the plane today, but I like to look nice. I like to look put together. I think I said that before. I get it, you go to the airport and you're flying, but I like to just be put together. Like, you don't have to do all this, but I like to do this, so it's fun for me. Everything is a reason to get ready. Look at that. I went ham on that. Everything is a reason to get ready and play. Even staying home on a snow day is a reason. This is the Sarah Creole. I don't know what shade this is. This is Rich Cocoa. I brought so much makeup. I had so many eyeliners. I don't know what. I went ham. So I'll do like a get ready with me in Puerto Rico and show you what I brought. But if you want a sneak peek of that, check out the live I did. I did a little pack with me. I was having a hard time getting motivated to pack, which is pretty normal for me. I'm just going to kind of do this. Color in. I'm going to flick. This is a nice color. And then this is Twilight, and we'll just go boom, boom, boom. Done. Sorry, I'm getting ready this way, but I don't have time to, like, I'm going to curl my lashes. All right, and I got to put this away. I'm almost done. A couple finishing touches, and we'll be done. I also packed a bunch of mascaras, but that's all right. I don't know. I was just feeling like I wanted options. I like having options. This is a really pretty eyeshadow palette. Now I know the hype. That's really nice. I think I should bring it. What should I do? Let me finish. Quick. I'm not taking this. I'm taking the Marc Jacobs. I'm going with this. I did take the pink one. This is the beige one. That's as good as it's getting. This is the Tom Ford in the shade Private Grotto. I don't know if it's matching, but it's a long-lasting color. It doesn't really match. Ugh. All right, I'll try something different. I don't have time for this.
Mommy.
Good morning.
You know where you put my shoes? The women ones?
They're in your room. Okay. It's good enough. Okay. Bye, friends. I gotta go. I got a flight to catch. Hopefully I can edit this and it goes together. And I'll see you from Puerto Rico. Thanks for watching. Bye.